on the internet. Today my dad got me something in the mail. It came. Look who I get. Starscream. A lot of people have this. It might be a great use to play. I'm going to open this right now. There. I'm going to need scissors. Here he is out of the package. He's pretty nice. Well, now look at him. He's a beauty. It came out of the package. Can even run, fly, and he can even transform. I don't know where.
Coolest story ever.
Every time in the show, Megatron said, "Hey, Starscream." I don't know why, but he said hates him.
There is no reason why. He does it for fun.
Wait, Megatron does this for fun?
Yes, he told you Starscream for fun.
But this Starscream is kind of cool. And I can even transform him. I said I need a video to transform him. There he is. This is him as his Cybertronian mode. It's nice. It's like the original, but different. It's way, way better. He's like a jet and Cybertronian. It's like a rocket ship. They should make this like a rocket ship or something. That'll be way cool as a rocket. Is it like Blitzwing? On Cybertronian, but the robot mode, same. Nice. By the way, you can use this for car chase. Like you can use Starscream for chasing Bumblebee. That'll be nice. But most of all, it came with this. It'll be really nice. I'm gonna talk about this thing. It's Cybertron. It has the Bumblebee logo on it. There's a bridge, buildings, and blocks, and lights. There's nothing to talk about this box. By the way, here are the guns. I don't know what this thing is, but it might be a gun for Starscream. Again with these. Let's talk about this gun. It's like Blitzwing's gun, but blue and black. And his is grays. It has this square thingy. I don't know what it's for. But what that might be good with this gun playing here. But there's nothing to talk about it. But here's Starscream right next to Bumblebee. Here is Starscream right next to Optimus. Here is Starscream right next to Ultra Magnus. Here's Starscream with Shockwave. And here's Starscream with Megatron. It was having fun with you all. Well, I didn't actually have fun with you, but still. Goodbye. See you in the next video.